today I'm going to tell you about Vlookup. Vlookup is a very important function in Excel and used almost everywhere in Excel wherever you need to do some analysis or some work on the data. So I have created a dummy data for myself. This is demography information of 1000 rows. Uh, so there are names, date of birth, phone number, and addresses of 1000 people. So what is VLOOKUP? If you go into the formula section and you type VLOOKUP, then you would notice this formula. And what this says is that this looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from the column you specify. I'll type is equal to VLOOKUP, and this is the lookup value that we want to search in the table. So I have selected this A3. Now it is asking for table or array. So this is my table. I am selecting from column A to column D. So between column A to column D, all the data which is there from column A to column D, it has got selected in the form of table array. So now I have selected the VLOOKUP value, which is the one that I wanted to see. In demography, I have selected the range A to D. Now, what does this 2 represent? It says column index number. Okay. Now, what is the column index number? Column index number is a number which represents that in the table range, where is the value that you want to return. So, for example, here I want to see date of birth. Okay. So, date of birth is in which column? Date of birth is in column 2, right? So, that's the reason I have mentioned 2 here. Why? Because date of birth is in this is first column, this is second column, this is third column, this is fourth column in this table from A to D, right? So A1, B2, C3, and D4. Here my date of birth is in column 2. Hence I have taken 2 here. Now I want exact match or approximate match. If I enter a backspace, you would see that it is giving me two options. True means approximate match, and false means exact match. Approximate match is something that if the data is not found exactly the same, it would look for the next available option for that particular data and then return that. So this is a separate thing we will discuss separately, but for now I need to do a exact match. So I will select either false or I can enter 0 as well. By doing an enter here, the formula has got applied, and now I can simply drag down the formula and it will give me date of birth of all the names which are appearing here. And the utility of VLOOKUP is that in this list of 1000 people, I don't need to go and check each one, one by one to get their date of birth. Similarly, I'll try to put another VLOOKUP formula to get address to make it more clear. So this formula is equals to VLOOKUP. Now what do I need to look up? I need to look up the name. Where do I need to look up the name? I need to look up the name from column A to D. So that is what I have selected. Now, what is the column index number? In this case, I need to find the address, and the address is placed in column D. Hence, I can simply put 4 here because address is in the fourth column. And then, so after the table range, I have put 4 here. And then I need to do a exact match. So I could select false or I can select 0 as well. Here I have selected false in column B. In column C, where I'm applying the VLOOKUP to find address, I have selected 0. And now if I drag this formula all the way down, you see the address has got returned for all of these people. Now, good thing about this is that if let's suppose I change any name, let's suppose I instead of last 4 names, I want to find the date of birth and address of these four people. What I can do is if I simply paste the values of these four people, their respective date of birth and name would come. So this is how we apply VLOOKUP, and I have shown you that why it is important to keep in mind the table and range, and why it is important to keep in mind the column number in which your data exists in that particular table range. So this is about VLOOKUP.